Gigo.
How to roll the plastic tube. Using your flat transparent plastic included with your Gigo set, we will make a transparent tube for your model. The easiest way is to hold it so that the tabs are along the top, facing downward and away from you. From this angle, you should be able to see the tabs line up with the holes on the other end of the sheet. Remember to curl the plastic back and toward you so that it doesn't spring out of your hands. Each tab must go through a hole. Try doing a little of each and lining them up, rather than inserting them one at a time. The last step is rolling it a little tighter, just to make sure it is secure. Now you have made the tube. Fix it to the model by putting it into the 8-pin round frame. Well done! You've solved the issue.